All right, let's do it. First things first, I messed up on this one. Even the best of us mess up from time to time. I forgot to put a yard sign out before the build, so we're gonna throw it in the yard. Grab our stake here. 623-213-8267. Scan the QR code, hit me up. We've done tons of duplexes in this area. We actually just did that one right there. And this one here we did a while back ago, but this is the block right here. Get this guy. Streets right here, cars come in this way. Normally I'd put my sign like that. I'm gonna put it like this though. Stick it right there. Make sure you're not gonna hit any water lines. That's never good. Okay. All right, let's jump up on this thing and see. This is like 75 squares, 2-layer, a lot of tear off. Got the dually hooked up to the dump trailer here. Lots of trips to the dump. What's happening, Tim?
Getting there.
Got people, this lady's not home. Is she home?
Came by the garage door, place that.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then this one we were keeping the turbine, the skylights, and then replacing them on that side.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, to get rid of that water heater.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we keeping that brawn vent on that side?
Let's jump up there real quick. Does it go to something?
It doesn't have the laptop.
We didn't get the TSM underlayment?
I got some of it here.
Tell Jimmy, use that other underlayment. Go ahead and run that one out, but use that TSM stuff for this one so we can get some pictures of it.
Okay. Yeah.
It has this logo right there.
Yeah, and they want shirts.
Oh, fuck. Wrap yourself in some synthetic.
Half of my guys don't have.
What size? Large? I need to get some shirts ordered for the crew, neon long sleeve shirts. Medium and larges, or see what you have. If you have any in the office, pull them out for me so I can bring them back to this job. Keep it. Yeah. Who's here? Is Jimmy here?
Okay.
So, you think they'll get the back done?
Yeah. We'll get it half done today.
Tear off the front tomorrow. This is what we're talking about with this being a 2-layer with the organic underneath it. See this stuff here? This shingle here is an organic shingle. So like they crumble. You can see it becomes a mess. The tear off and the cleanup on these it looks like Armageddon for a couple hours, but that's why we got those catch-alls. Those catch-alls will catch all this small, fine debris. Makes it a little bit easier on the crew. Like I said, it's like 75 squares roughly, so lots of trips to the dump. This thing here, we're gonna get rid of this big bastard. A lot of people will have something like this on their roof. They don't know what it is, especially out here in like the West Valley, Sun City West. Those are old water heaters. People used to use those versus like our gas or electric water heater. So nowadays, everybody's putting a water heater in their house. We're canceling these. Sometimes they're full of water and kind of a pain to get off the roof, but if you have one of those on your roof and you're getting your roof replaced, verify if you're still using it. There's very few houses that still are that we do. Almost all the time we're getting rid of those, so clean up the roof, make it look a little better. So they're getting ready to install their shingles on the back side here. It's got a little bit of flat here. So they got their base down. They're gonna come back, they'll put their cap sheet, that granulated rolled roofing, stick it on there, and then they can start shingling. As you see here, we got our TSM branded underlayment. This stuff is awesome. All your warranties are still the same. Manufacturer warranty is still the same. Still get your platinum warranty if that's what you're looking for. Killing me. Not you. The fucking Roofing Insights underlayment. Oh, that is what's wrong. I wanted the whole roof to be in that so we could get drone footage of it. How many rolls of that stuff do you have, Tim? That's what I don't want. So, Brian, tell your boys back here to use just that underlayment. Or how many rolls of the Roofing Insight stuff do you have?
I think it's like 4 and 4, something like that.
Well, you're gonna have to use. Let me think about it. Was that rolls that they previously had?
Yeah, I just grabbed some random ones.
Guess it'd be better to use our stuff on the back side. You got the road. Yeah. Hey, Brian, can you tell your guys over here on this back side, let's use all the TSM stuff, and then on the front, use the Roofing Insights stuff tomorrow. So that way people on the roadway can see this stuff. Advertising. Huh? Do what? Yeah, I got them. I'm getting them. Hey, I'm gonna ask you some questions too.
Might feel like a day in the life as like a roof installer or something like that.
Yeah, maybe.
Following them around all day, but like, a couple hours will do.
Okay, well, these guys are good right now. Let's see, we had a A lot of times with these skylights, you see they'll have that troffer in there to kind of mellow the light out inside the house. A lot of times those are just as old as the house or the skylights. Debris falls in there, they break real easily. We had one break on that side, I think. They need us to replace, so we're gonna run up to the hardware store, get a new one so we can go inside and swap it out. And then we'll come back. Hopefully by the time we're back, they should have the back side of this dried in. And we'll look at it when they start getting ready to install some shingles. But still kind of cleaning up, drying in back here. Gonna replace all the ridge vent. We're gonna put a new OC roof on here. They're going with just a Shasta white, the Sun City white right there. So this job takes about 2 days to do. They'll get that whole backside done today, and then tomorrow when they come, they can strip the whole front and finish it out on Friday. So let's roll to the hardware store. I'll get with, hey Tim, what Ace were you gonna go to?
The one on Bell's, the one I guess it's got everything.
The one over here.
Yeah.
I can run down there and grab it for you real quick. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.